All right, I'm here with a teacher that has a good idea, and good ideas are worth spreading. So she is going to talk about what she does for Math Toolkits.
So for the kindergarten math toolbox, I bought all these little boxes off of Amazon, and then we fill them at the beginning of the year, and they get connecting cubes. I only give them 2 colors each, 10 of each color, so they don't get mixed up with anybody at their table. And then they start with 10 counters, which they will get more once we learn higher numbers, and they start with 1 die. But once we start differentiating, some students will get 2 die because they're counting higher, depending on the center that we're doing.
Okay.
And so they keep their box, we keep them over here, and then when it's math time, we set them out on this table, and each box has their name on it.
Okay.
So they come over and they get their box and they take it right to their table. And this is a way to keep it more organized, because I found when you just put connecting cubes in the middle of the table, if that's what they're using, they fight over them, they're building with them, they're not using them correctly. So this has become the best way for us in kindergarten to have their materials right at their table with them, depending on what center they're working.
Tell me about the container.
So I bought this container off Amazon, and I got it because last year I also bought ones off of Amazon, but they didn't have this little lift up handle, and all the kids were cracking the boxes, like there was boxes cracked down the middle. So just because of this little thing in the corner that helps you lift the lid,
Let me zoom in. Yes.
it makes it so much easier for them to lift it, and then they're not cracking the boxes or breaking them. And I also last year were keeping the boxes in their seat sacks, which was smushing them. So this year we decided to keep them separate, and then when it's math time, we set them out on the table, and they just quietly come get them when they get to the center that they need them on.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
sharing this good idea.
Thank you.